What is up, guys? Yasvin at eFlexFuel here, and today we're converting my friend Cheese '08 Cadillac DTS to run E85 gas or any blend with our eFlexPlus kit. Stick around, and in just a few minutes, I'm going to show you how I convert this engine with our eFlexPlus kit. All I'm going to need is going to be included in this kit. Besides that, just some handy tools, and that's it. All right, first thing I like to do is plug my harness to the control module and kind of figure out where I want to place it. In this case, he decided he wanted it inside this fuse box. So I've made some markings here. I'm going to grind this down. Now I could place it inside the fuse box and the harness will exit out through the cover. Bam. Something like that. Now let's release the pressure on the fuel tank. Let's do our polarity test. You guys already know, follow the beep. All right. Cool. Now that I built my harness, let's go ahead and plug in to our fuel injector harness and then plug this into our fuel injectors. Let me route this right here in the back. I'm going to clean it all up. This is the way that I'm going to route this harness. I'm going to go right through here. I'm going to zip tie it to kind of maintain it in place. Did the same thing for the front here. And now this I could kind of bundle up and zip tie. Oh, let's not forget about this. This is our temperature sensor. This I'm going to go ahead and tuck in right here under the intake manifold. This is one of my favorite places to put it under. Nice and safe. Perfect. Now for fuel, let's go ahead and unclip our fuel connector here. This is a tool that's provided in the kit. This is all I'm going to need to disconnect this fuel pressure line here. Bear with me. Okay, all right, let's go ahead and push that in there. Perfect. Push it down a bit. Push up. Oh, okay, we got it. There it is. We got a little fuel leaking. No biggie. That'll evaporate. Now let's remove our fuel tool. Perfect. We got our line open. Cool. Now what we're going to want to do is plan how we're going to route our ethanol sensor in here. So we do have some 90s, we have some straights, and some fuel line. So let's go ahead and plan what is the best way we're going to fit this ethanol sensor right here in between. And I'm going to use a very little bit of holes. So this right here looks like it's the best way so far. I'm using a 90 and a straight and then another 90 at the other end. And now I have my harness facing this way. Bam. I think this will work right here. All right, there it is. I got it all plugged in. This is our fuel line right here. Got everything hooked up. This is the way I routed our harness right here. Nothing is touching. It's not over any coils. It's not chafing or rubbing on anything. And bam, let's go ahead and put this cover on. And that works right there. Our harness is going to be coming out of this side over here. And I'm going to go ahead and pretty much maintain my unit under this cover here. It's nice, it's safe, it's hidden. It's what the customer wanted. It's what the customer got. Bam. This is the first 32 valve Northstar Cadillac engine with our eFlexPlus unit. Now flex fuel, baby. That's it. Caddy, fully flexed, ready to run on E85 gas or any blend.
And it's great. So it's going to be riding like, they might just hit 75 to 99. First fill up right here.
There it is, guys. It's that simple. Thanks so much for watching. If you've been thinking about flexing your vehicle, this is your sign to do it. And don't hesitate. Visit us at eFlexFuel.com.